warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 1 will make brownies from Oreo.
First, prepare ingredients and tools. The ingredients are 2 Oreo packs and 2 ultra milk boxes. The tools are basin, spoon, spatula, plate, scale, and baking pan. Make spread Oreo biscuit with vanilla cream. Then split the Oreo biscuits into small pieces. Then mash Oreo until smooth. After smooth, pour the ultra milk into the container containing the Oreo. Mix until evenly distributed. Mix with vanilla. After all mixed, mix with vanilla, crumb, and stir until evenly distributed. After that, pour the mixture into a baking dish. Heat the water a few minutes until it boils. After boiling, put the mixture in the pan. Wait until cooked. 3. After cooking, remove the mixture from the pan. And ready to serve.
Thanks for watching and your attention. Wassalamualaikum.